Hey everybody, Bensborough comes back today with another video. We are going to be reviewing official Technic set 42053, the Volvo EW160E. Now, you saw my last video, I did the speed build. Took about 20 minutes that video, so that next time I do a large build like this, I'll do it faster. Anyway, I glossed over the box artwork last video, so don't really need to worry about that. It's just a Lego Technic box. It's not much, quite large. They'll go into storage sometime. Anyway, onto the model. This set, and find the instructions. There you go. So, like the car transporter, this is one big thick booklet. It's not as big, obviously, because obviously the set's not as big as a transporter. But this is one single booklet, and none of the bags were numbered. So, yeah. But oh well, I built it. And since this is a 2-in-1 set, it has a B model, which there are stickers for. Oh yes, I have plans to use these. What even was a B model? Hang on, I need to check that. The B model would have been... Oh. The Volvo L30G. No idea what that is. But that is a B model. Anyway, stickers away. So onto the model. Where do I start? I think I'm going to do some close-up detail first, because no, seriously, the detail on this model is amazing. The detail is amazing. So let's get on with that. This is the new angle. Because of the size of the model, for me to do the up-close detail, I've had to put the camera at a funny angle. So, bear with if I do something wrong. So, right, detail. Obviously, most of the detail is stickers, which I don't mind, obviously, because printing pieces will make the set worth more. So, yeah, it was always good to do stickers instead. Plus, also, stickers are simple. You know, there's no need to go and try and search through. There's no need to go and try and search through certain pieces to go and find a certain piece with a detail on. Anyway, where do I start? I think I'll start at the back, moving my way forward. So, on the back, move this over. There we go. So what we do have, if you can see, there we go. We have got some brake lights there, which are. They could have dressed this up better at the back. This is what I don't like. I don't like this. I'm sorry, Lego. I don't. Oh well. Right, I've got the steering knob here. Knob. And also sticker detail on the back. You've got more brake lights. Got the Volvo logo. You've got some warning symbols. And on either side, you've got the EW160E lettering. Moving on to this side, there ain't much, just the Volvo logo and a simple light. You can't see that. There we go. It's a Volvo logo, simple lights. Going on to the crane arm. Again, not really much, but it's good enough. There's a Volvo logo again, and some more warning stickers. There's surprisingly nothing on the buckets, which is odd, because I think that's where most of the danger would be. Oh yeah, and also there's, if you would like to turn, there we go, there is another front light at the front there, which is cool. Turn this around, let's do this one awkwardly. That's right, move the camera, well done. Everything alright? Everything's cool. Right, Ignore the big fat boom. Okay, boomer. Right, so again, you got more warning symbols such as chevrons, spacing from the machine, and the Volvo logo. I like this sticker. I don't know if you can see that. Hang on. Yeah, right there. I like this sticker. It's such a small sticker, but it's actually so clear. And again, you've got another Volvo logo, and then you get 3 massive. Is that 3 or 4? I can't remember. Nah, just a 3. Oh yeah, and that one there. So you got like this nice detail, sign, logo, art, decal. That's the word. Yeah, we got these nice decals on the side with some mesh type doing up, and then you've got another lights again, the Volvo EW160E, and then on the top, which you can't see. Hold on. And on the top, along with the switches, you get the directions for the switches and stuff. Then you get a no standing up top sticker, and also some warning stickers. So obviously, there's where's the finger going? Where's the finger? There. So it's a hot touch warning, and there's mechanical parts warning. So now going on to built detail. This is the part I wanted to do, the built detail. The first thing is this fuel tank type compartment here. That looks so cool, and that is perfectly in scale and accurate. That's the word. Oh my god, why can't I talk? The cab, the actual seat inside, I don't know if you can see that, actual seat inside there, you have to build the seat. What I really like, and you also get a steering wheel which is fixed, but oh well. Get a nice ladder step here. And then you got the mesh bars. Oh my god, I cannot. There, right. And you got the mesh bars on the side and the orange around the side of the vehicle. I do like the inclusion of the orange, which I'll show more of later. Got nice wind visor and lights up the top. You got wing mirrors, which are, yes, stickers, which I forgot to mention, but oh well, they're there. Going on to this side, again you got more of the orange. I like this. I like the inclusion of the orange. It makes it look so cool. Obviously getting up there, you can probably use these down here as ladders. So then get a step up into there, and then of course you can access the engine from up top, which is again perfectly accurate. You get another 2 wing mirrors. Don't know what that one there is for. Pretty much useless. Whatever. You got one nice big fat exhaust. I like big exhausts. They're good. Again, you got some sort of fuel tank type thing. And then you have landing legs, which I'll show more of the camera angles stuff. So you got landing legs here, which I'll show more of later. And that's pretty much it for the built detail. Let's go on to the mechanical stuff now. Now then, moving on to mechanical detail. This is like moving parts and stuff. So yeah, the first thing that you can see is the steering, which is moved by a cog on the back, if you can see that. Right in there. Or you can just do it by hand. It doesn't really matter, whatever suits you. Second thing that does pop out is the front dozer, which when you pull it down it is supposed to lock, but I found that the lock doesn't work amazingly. You know, it does have a tendency to pop back out when you put down too much, just like that. It's not perfectly brilliant, but that doesn't really matter. We have at least you can stay down and look decent. And then of course, like I said, we have the rear too. So once you pull that one down, this one does have a decent lock, just a little bit fiddly. There we go, it says 1. And there's the second one, and that is the back wheel completely off the ground. This model is quite free rolling, but I don't want to test that in case of emergency, in case it rolls off the end of the table. Let's bring that one up, because the boom does go quite high. Can you see everything? Sort of. That's better. Alright. So, I'm gonna... Let's do the... Yeah, let's upset all of you, and let's do the boom last. So, there is an access point to the engine, which is modelled brilliantly. It'd be better to do it this way round. Sorry guys and gals. Right, so the first one is this engine compartment here does lift up. You can see that there. Then reveals some of the pipes and some of the workings. And you can pop this one off the cross axle or bring the whole unit up. Okay. And then when you tilt that one back, you can see in there all of the mechanical pneumatic piping. Now, if you do want to get started on Lego pneumatics, I do want to warn you, you will need strong hands and muscle, because putting the actual pipelines, tubes, whatever, onto the connectors, it's a really tight fit. That's what she said. Anyway, yeah. So I do want to warn you of that, because it is really difficult, especially for little ones. Yeah, but it is a great set. Also, don't do anything wrong. As you saw during the speed build, if you look and you see this blue brick here, I put that one in upside down. Like, there are 4 stud holes facing upwards now, but instead I put it so it was 7 going upwards, so the whole thing wouldn't fit. So the whole cab mechanism wouldn't fit on. So that was a pain in the backside. Just close this one again. What did I just do? Did I just do something? Okay, that's worrying. Hang on. Crap. Okay. Sorted it. Bloody hell. Right. So, first up, I'm gonna show you... Yeah. Show you the cab first. Which does go up and down. Or am I gonna get it all in shot? Yeah, just about. crap. There we go. Just lower that one down again because that's going to start annoying me because it's not in place and I have OCD. Also, you got a little light on the top, not much, just a little one. Right. I think now I'm going to stop procrastinating and I'm going to show you the Lego pneumatic system in this set. You can see all of that. So, first of all, this whole front section of the boom. Does that go up or down? I think that one goes down, doesn't it? No, it does go up. No, it does go down. Alright. Push it the other way and it will go up. Lock that one in place. Can you still see everything? Sort of. Let's see. Nah, you'll have to live with it for now. And then this section here, again, will move. And you can't see a thing. That's better, right? I've increased the height slightly of the phone. Yes, I use a phone, so what? And then this whole, you see that, sort of, there. I'm a noob. And then third switch on the back, push that one. Does open. I love that mechanism. It's so smooth. It is really, really smooth. I love it. Ouch. Slow that one back up a little bit. Because of the weight on the actual boom, when you try and get it to go back, it actually does it by itself. So again, without doing anything, I'm going to move the main boom very slightly. I said slightly. It's a bit too much. Oh well. And then again, you can't see anything. Oh my god, I am rubbish at this YouTube thing. Yeah, but yeah. The mechanics do work very well, and I do very much love this set. It's brilliant. I don't know how I don't have a clue of how the pneumatics work, but it works. It works so well. It's fab. Crap. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment anything you want. Also, a shout out to Brick Machines for guessing in my car transporter video, because I stated I'm going to be building something, and he guessed what it was correctly, so a shout out to Brick Machines. This person makes all sorts of Lego videos, Most of them are quite good. Pinball machine, I really like that. That is quite good. And yeah, just go and subscribe. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.